Jervil Luistro.
And yes, that's true. But also kudos to Senate President Soto saying na maghahanda na kami, paghahandaan na namin, settle the administrative matters so that when it is transmitted to us, we can proceed to trial forthwith.
Okay.
That's the correct way to approach it. Common sense and also constitutional.
Word of the day, common sense and constitutional.
Sana all of them have it.
Pero eto, very quickly na lang, attorney, before we let you go. Of course, ang daming mga nagsalita ng mga members of the Congress and saying na mostly ang magiging basehan ng kanilang pagboto dito sa impeachment na to ay conscience vote. 'Di ba? So, well, technically, in reality, sabi nga natin, dapat through ang kanilang kumbaga pagbabasihan ng kanilang pagboto ay through evidence, but this is conscience vote. What is your take on that?
Well, hindi ba lahat dapat ng vote is conscience vote? Every time we vote, we should use our conscience, di ba? But the point is, whether you classify it as conscience vote or principle vote, the vote must be based on the evidence presented.
Exactly.
You cannot vote otherwise. In other words, you cannot vote without referring
Dahil iba
to
yung
the
pulso
evidence.
ng iba.
Same sentiment I hear. That's why hindi ko maintindihan, attorney, yung conscience vote ng partido di ba? So kung sinabi ng partido matibay ang evidence, sabi ng konsensya ko, ayoko, baka matalo ako sa distrito ko
That's unfair.
That doesn't make sense, right?
Hindi yan.
Then your conscience is not a conscience. Hindi siya si Jiminy Cricket, di ba? Baka ibang creature yung nagsasabi sa iyo.
Oo. You're not being true to yourself, you're not being true to your constituents, di ba?
Yeah, and the
to
Constitution.
Constitution.
Exactly.
Alright, on that note, maraming salamat po sa inyong insights, Attorney Michael